Hey besties, Coach here as promised. I am going to give you guys a quick walkthrough on InShot. This is an app that you will download and put on your phone. It works just like CapCut. It gives you the opportunity to create your own videos. You can add videos and pictures together. You can slow it down, speed it up, add music from their music library, extract music from actual videos that you have on your phone, and much more. So, of course, yesterday in day one, we went through the process of creating our mockups. We took our AI influencer and made her walk and talk and move to sell our extra products. So I wanted to show you guys on the back end how you can take that 15-second video that you used from yesterday and create you additional
You got
marketing
this, girl.
and side of InShot. So all I did was upload the 15-second video. I uploaded the still shots of my mock-up along with my storyboard because I was just doing this for demonstration purposes. InShot allows you to actually add text on top of screen. You are also able to change the color, change the font to match your brand style. Um, and you can move it around on the screen in different areas. You can also set the duration just like CapCut or if you're working in TikTok. So what I'm doing here is just adding a few words on screen. Let me show you how I took a, right now it says video. I'm about to change it to mock up to pretty much a whole vibe. And so you can do text overlay. You can do what I'm doing, which is I uploaded everything and now I am doing what we call a voice over. So when I tell you guys to record behind the scenes, you don't have to worry about actually talking people through at that particular moment. You can record it, take it and put it into InShot, add your text over screen, or do your voiceover. So yes, this is definitely a game changer. I have been using InShot for years before it was really a thing for all of my other businesses. So like I said, you will go in, put your text. You can decide how you want your text to sit on the screen, what color you want your text to be, and also how long you want your text to stay on your screen or over that particular picture that you put on there. So I'm going to go in and kind of just move it around and just kind of play with it. Again, this is just like Canva, just like ChatGPT. Get in there, play with it. You can thank me later when it comes to this tool. Now, when I downloaded it, it was totally free. Hopefully, it is still free for you guys. But I use InShot like pretty much every day. Most of my content is done using InShot. So now I'm just kind of making sure I'll hit play just so I can make sure that the text pops up on the screen where I want it to pop up and that the duration of that particular text is there. Also, InShot has effects that you can add. So, like if you wanted to bounce or you wanted to spin, if you wanted to glitch, it has all of those things. Also, if you have content that's a little dark, you can add a filter. I can't even talk, y'all, and you can brighten up your text as well. And like I said again, you can speed it up, slow it down. It is a complete editing software at your fingertips on your phone. A lot of times I use InShot. I can be sitting in the car, need to create a quick video reel, and I pull out InShot. So now I'm gonna go back through and hit play and just check and see my placement and see if everything is flowing the way I want it to. Like I said earlier, you can extract music from videos you have, or you can use InShot's library. So I'm just kind of playing with some different music. They have a bunch of different stuff, some really soft music that you can add, and then you can, of course, adjust the volume. And then I'm just going to play it again. And as you can see, so I don't want the music to actually play when the other music starts and when she starts talking. So I sliced it and deleted that part. And just double checking.
You got this, girl.
And there we have it. So I'm going to go in, of course, and make some adjustments. But this is the final product.
You got
And
this,
just
girl.
that quick, we have a whole video, a whole vibe, all from a AI influencer to sell our product. As always, get in the room, stay in the room. Bye.